Spanish flu versus COVID-19. What virus that caused Spanish flu and COVID-19? In this video, we will talk about the background of Spanish flu and COVID-19, the similarity, the difference and the conclusion.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Nasriah binti Muhammad Sazli. What is Spanish flu? In 1918, the most severe influenza Spanish flu outbreak in the 20th century and have the highest total number of deaths among the most devastating pandemics in human history. Why was it called the Spanish flu? It was dubbed the Spanish flu because report of mass illness first appeared in Spanish newspaper. The Spanish flu, also known as 1918 pandemic, was an unusually deadly influenza caused by the H1N1 influenza A virus with genes of avian origin. Although there is no universal consensus regarding where the virus originated, it spread worldwide during 1918 to 1919. Type A influenza infection can be serious and cause widespread outbreaks and disease. Common symptoms of type A infection can be confused with other conditions and can be life-threatening. After 100 years of the deadliest pandemic, in 2019, SARS-CoV-2 is a new coronavirus that causes coronavirus illness. A new pandemic known as COVID-19 or coronavirus appeared with comparable instances and differences between these two pandemics.
Hi, I'm Nur Ainanisa. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe disease such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS. A novel coronavirus was identified in 2019 in Wuhan, China. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tightness, and less common symptoms are itches and pains, sore throat, and diarrhea. On 17th April 2020, a total of 2 million cases of COVID-19, where 150,000 cases of death and 564,000 recovered cases has been reported worldwide. There is no vaccine or no specific treatment for COVID-19 until March 2021. 308 vaccine candidates are in various stages of development. On June 2021, 18 vaccines are authorized by at least one national regulatory authority for public use. A COVID-19 vaccine is a vaccine intended to provide acute immunity against severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-19 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahmi and I'm going to tell about the similarities between the COVID-19 and the Spanish flu or 1918 virus. Both of the virus is the new type of virus when it first came to the world. So nobody had immunity to both virus, therefore causing the pandemic throughout the global society. And another similarities is it spread through the respiratory droplets from human. It also causes almost similar symptoms such as headache, respiratory system symptoms, and lost taste and lost sense of smell. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ungku Hafiz bin Ungku Suzaini. I will continue with the differences between Spanish flu and COVID-19. At first, the virus that causes COVID-19 and flu viruses are thought to spread in similar ways. The virus that causes COVID-19 is generally more contagious than flu viruses. Secondly, if a person has COVID-19, it could take them longer to experience symptoms than if they had flu. The reproductive number, which is the number of secondary infections generated from one infected individual, is understood to be between 2 and 2.5 for COVID-19 virus, which is higher than for influenza. However, estimates for both COVID-19 and influenza viruses are very context and time specific, making direct comparisons more difficult. Next, the symptoms for COVID-19 takes longer to appear, which means it has longer incubation period than Spanish flu. In addition to that, both diseases share same symptoms, but COVID-19 may cause blood clots and multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children. Overall, there are a lot of information we should acknowledge, ranging from the similarities, differences, and even the general whereabouts of the ongoing pandemic. It shows that past researchers could help with our current situation. That's all. Thank you.